Look at this Porsche. This is the Taycan. This is electric. This the Tesla killer. Yeah. Let's go inside. That's an expensive car, man. That's how much it costs. Damn, look at the brakes on this thing. Look how big the brakes are. Look. This is the 2021 Porsche Taycan. It's got the full panoramic roof. Let's look at some of the other ones. This is the Panamera 4. There you go. If you want an SUV, it's not bad. That's not bad at all. 94. Dang, these seats are tight. Oh man, feel that seat. That's tight.
Cool.
Man, this thing
Like
is
it pretty cool. Yeah.
awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, that's super nice.
So this is the high-end coupe that has a more of a fast factor to it.
Right.
Versus the regular Cayenne, which is the one next door.
Wow. That seat feels great. What kind of leather is that?
Just regular leather. It is leather.
Wow. That's the best feeling leather I've ever felt.
Nice. Thank you. Yeah, when they're new, they're all a little tougher to close. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, like I thought it had like the
Soft
self-close.
doors, yeah, some of them do that.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes, sir.
Do they make this an electric?
In black?
An electric.
Oh, electric. Not yet. I have to say always now, not yet. But it's coming. We just don't know when. So the all-electric one, the first one, it was the Icon, which is the white one outside there. Then they do make this in a hybrid version, which means you ride on a black Ford with.
Right.
Yeah.
Cool. You got a car?
Yeah, I sure do. I'm John, by the way.
I'm James.
James, nice to meet you, sir.
And this is Megan.
Thank you. Hi, Megan. Where is she? Hi. We're introducing each other. I'm John.
She's so scared I'm finna spend some money. It's ridiculous.
For giving us some information,
Oh,
learn more
surely,
about this
gladly.
car.
Gladly.
Yeah.
Gladly so.
Yeah, Megan worried I'm finna spend some money, but don't worry. I'm just looking right now. Yeah, these are nice. Super, super nice. Damn, hold on, let me look at this one. Oh, that's sold. Oh, it says hold.
Huh?
It says hold. Horse convertible. I don't like that blue one actually.
I don't like that
I like this car over here. That black one sitting over there, and that one. That electric car is expensive as hell though. Carrera S 911 Carrera S. Damn, look at the tires on this thing. Yeah, I would get this. This shit is tight. Alright, let's see what the price is. Whoa, it's only $137, bro. 443 horsepower. think I'd buy a Vent before I bought this. You get a sunroof in this? Nope. You don't get no sunroof or nothing. All you get is a Porsche name. That's tight though.